Here, we're just simplifying this situation. The most common mistake here would be to say that this is the first thing squared plus the second thing squared. But if you're squaring something, for instance, a squared, that means I'm multiplying a by a. So for this green thing, I'm actually multiplying x squared plus 11 times x squared plus 11, and then we'll be FOILing. Plus the blue one, which we can start FOILing right now. So first times first is x squared. So we're doing first, outer, inner, last, we're FOILing. Outer times outer is 5x. Inner times inner is negative 5x. And last times last, negative 5 times positive 5, that's negative 25. And by the way, this is a difference of two perfect squares. It's called that because after you combine like terms, when these two 5x's cancel with each other, you'll have x squared minus 25. So you have a difference of two perfect squares. And something like that is always going to factor to the square root of each piece, x plus 5 and x minus 5 with the plus and the minus. So we could have done that a lot faster if we're already familiar with the difference of squares. So now let's FOIL the red part. First times first, x squared times x squared is x to the fourth. Outer times outer, x squared times 11, that's 11x squared. Next is inner times inner, another 11x squared. And the L of the FOIL, last times last, 11 times 11, and that's 121. So we have all of our terms represented, and now we're just combining like terms. We have a single term with x to the fourth power, so let's bring that down. Then we have this term, and this term with x squared. So we have 11 plus 1x squared. So that's 23x squared. And last but not least, we have 121 minus 25, and that's going to be 96. So this all matches the answer, which is B.